Good morning. Welcome to Wag Wednesday. I'm Layla. I'm the Education and Events Coordinator here at the Austin Humane Society. And we are going to join our shelter manager, Sarah Hamill, and our adoptable dog, Bo, on a dog walk actually, we're going to go play in our dog runs this morning, and we're going to show you where our dogs get some exercise, how they can do some little tricks and get treats and have all kinds of fun. So here we go. We're going to join our very excited friend, Bo. Here we go. Now these are our dog runs. We're about to go out to. There we go. And these are areas where the dogs can run around. They can get off leash, right, Bo? We even put swimming pools out here. All kinds of fun things for the dogs to do outside. Hey, Bo. What a good boy. Good boy.
So yeah, we like to just let the dogs kind of do their own thing out here. This is a good spot for them to go potty. Bo loves treats. When he first got here, he was jumping a lot, which for a dog this size can be kind of overwhelming. So we've been really working with him to encourage him to stay 4 paws on the ground and not jump up on people. So I'm just going to keep rewarding him with treats because he's doing so good. Can you sit? Yes, what a good boy. What a good boy. Bo's pretty young. He's only like a year old. So even though he's big, he's still kind of a puppy in his brain. And so that's why, he jumps. He didn't have a lot of manners. Can you sit? Yes, good boy. And when we're teaching them how to sit, when we're working on that, we use the word, so I say sit. But we also use a hand sign, like a signal. And so here we use a paw, not a paw, this is my hand. Hand up, like palm up like this. As a sign. Sit. 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 Good boy. And you kind of use the treat right up over their nose to just lure them into that little position. Good boy. What a good boy. And Bo's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see. He has, sit. Can you sit? He has 2 different colored eyes. Sit. Good boy. He's got 1 blue eye and 1 brown eye. He's so handsome.
What a pretty boy.
Yes. So yeah, when we're out in the dog runs, the dogs can be off leash. They can sniff around. They can pee on things. They can run around. If there's other dogs out here, they'll kind of run together sometimes. Just get love and pets and stretch their legs. There's a squirrel that lives around here that'll run up on all the fences, and the dogs really like that too.
Hi, Bo. Good morning.
Good boy.
Where are those squirrels, Bo? Where are they?
And then, if we want, we can take Bo on a little walk out in the field too. He pulls really hard. Sometimes Bo pulls really hard on his leash. So we have these special harnesses that we use here at the shelter. They're called Easy Walk harnesses. So I'm going to put this on Bo. It stops him from pulling a little bit. Come here, bud. Good boy. Oh wait, I gotta fix it. Here, put on. This is what I'm doing. You do. And put there. And I like to give him treats when I'm putting on the harness. Because, it can be kind of weird to have somebody you don't know hugging you and doing up these little clips and stuff. That's good. And then once the harness is on, we attach the leash to the front of it. It's kind of different than some harnesses. And then we always attach to their collar too for safety. And so it's in the front there, so if he pulls too hard and charges ahead of me, the harness kind of works to turn his body back around. So we can go right out here through the gate.
All right.
And another volunteer out here walking another dog.
That's our friend Cricket.
So we'll let him go first.
We're going to give him some space.
Yep. Good job, Bo.
Good
I
job.
have to go potty really bad. I know. Are you going to talk to him?
Tell him, Bo. Tell him you want to be friends.
Yes.
What a smart boy.
All right. Let's go out on our walk. Maybe slash that.
Yes.
I know. So out here, we have this big, nice open field where we can walk the dog. his manners.
Hi.
What
You're
a
such a
good boy.
good boy. Oh, no, we got to get down.
We always want to make sure we're being really safe out here. You know, this is not a fenced-in area, so you want to make sure you always have a good grip on the leash. Really, a good thing to do is put your hand all the way through the loop and then hold the leash like this. This is a little backup. And make sure that, you know, the dog doesn't have a chance to kind of get away from you. Sometimes they'll see birds or squirrels or another dog out here and they can really surprise you and pull really fast. But we try to just give them a chance to sniff around. Good boy. And Bo seems to be house trained. He's good at always going potty outside of his kennel. So we want to try to praise that as much as we can. Just kind of walk up and on the field. Let him have some time out of the kennel. Good boy.
You're a good boy. Such a pretty boy. And we share this property with our friends at a church back here, and they let us use this gigantic field to walk our dogs. As you can see, that's pretty great. And all of our dogs get 4 walks a day, which is really important for them to get their little kennel breaks, right, sweet boy? Look at those pretty eyes. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hello. You show everybody how pretty you are? So beautiful, boy. You enjoying your walk?
And sometimes if we have a lot of time, if we have a lot of volunteers here walking, we'll do what we call a walk around the block. So we'll take the dogs all the way around just this little loop in the neighborhood to give them, you know, more time out walking, especially the younger dogs with a lot of energy. They need a lot of exercise. At the shelter, they're not always getting that. So, you know, we'll take them on a nice long walk whenever possible. But the other thing too is, you know, those mental exercises. So the enrichment, working on training, kind of works out their brain muscle. And so sometimes if they don't have that opportunity to run around and play, engaging with them mentally can really help them too. Good boy. Another thing we try to work on a lot is really encouraging eye contact from the dog to the trainer. Watch. And so we do a command called watch. Basically, like if they look at you, they get a treat. That's all they have to do. They just have to look at you. And you can do this treat and point up at your face. Most dogs figure it out really quick because they're like, oh, all I have to do is look at you. You know how to like. Oh, good, yes.
Oh, what a smart boy.
Yeah, that was really fun to work with.
You're so smart.
He loves treats so much.
Oh,
Yeah.
what a good boy.
He's one of my favorites here right now. I like this guy.
I can see why. He's amazing. And our friend Cricket's over there taking his walk with one of our volunteers. It's a nice morning for walks. We've had so much rain. I'm sure our volunteers and our dogs are enjoying not having to walk in the rain for the first time in about a month.
I'll have to change my shoes after being out.
Yes. What do you think, Bo? Are you having a good morning? You are such a good boy.
So if he starts pulling really hard, you know, I'll just kind of encourage him to come back to me. You can sometimes just put on brakes too. If they get really like hard pulling, like a little freight train, I'll just stop moving. And just show him, hey, we're not going to go anywhere if you're going to pull me like that. Yeah, we got to walk together. Walking has to be a team sport. I want the dog to be a part of it. And I think that Bo already went potty this morning. But of course, when we come out here to go walking, also with the treats, you have to make sure you have your poop bags.
Yes.
If Bo goes to the bathroom, you gotta scoop the poop. And so our volunteers and our staff always carry bags with them. So we pick that up, keep them in the field, throw those away.
Yes. Always
You never
scoop.
want to leave your dog poop out in the lake.
right. Good job, little buddy.
Then we're going to go put Bo back in his kennel, and we're going to bring out one of our other dogs to go on.
All right. And while Sarah puts Bo up in his kennel, I'm going to take y'all in to meet some of our adoptable animals. Oh, goodness. This is our volunteer cubby. That's our friend Teddy in there enjoying some time. Oh, he had a bath. Good morning, Teddy.
He's a boy, yeah.
He is a good boy. Teddy is up for adoption. He's a really sweet boy. We've been doing story times and all kinds of fun things with Teddy. He's a very sweet boy. So while we're waiting for Sarah to come back with another dog, I'm going to take you into our adoption lobby real quick. And we don't want the cats to be left out of our Wag Wednesday. So we're going to peek in on some of our resident cats. This is one of our colony rooms. And this is where multiple cats can hang out together. As you can see, we have two little beauties right here just hanging out and enjoying the morning. And then we can peek in a little further. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. You're so beautiful. Hi, sweet baby. Oh, good morning. Hi, Moira. It's okay. Are you a little shy? You want to smell me? So this is one of our cool colony rooms where, as I said, multiple cats can hang out. They've got perches to climb up to, windows to look out of, and as you can see, a very nice little window hammock. Good morning, pretty friend. And all of the kitties in here are up for adoption, so if you're interested in adopting, you can go to our website at austinhumanesociety.org or email us at adoption at austinhumanesociety.org. All right, we're gonna step back out, but before we do, we're gonna peek in on our friends here. Oh, it looks like they're hiding. I was gonna introduce you to my friends Nemo and Reggie. Oh, but here we are.
This is Rolo.
Rolo!
I've actually never watched Rolo before.
Good morning, Rolo.
We're going to see how he does.
Let's go have some fun. All right. Rolo looks like, is Rolo a boy or a girl?
I think Rolo is a boy.
Okay.
We will find out. Yes, Rolo is a boy.
Hi,
Come on,
baby.
Rolo.
Come on, big boy.
There you go. There you go.
All right.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning, Rolo. Gonna get some exercise?
So, Rolo's going to come out here. He's going to go potty.
Hi, honey. Hi, how are you? You're so sweet.
Do you like treats? Well, maybe not as much as Bo did. Not all the dogs like treats. Or sometimes they just don't like the treats that you have. These are pretty tasty. So Rolo just may not be as into treats as Bo was.
Yep.
So, you gotta just hang out here. Let him do his thing. Hey, buddy.
Hey, Rolo.
You're short and long.
You are short and long with a long tail.
Yes, a long curved tail.
What do you think, Rolo? Should we go on a little walk?
Wanna go for a walk?
Should we go for a walk?
Should I treat again? Come here. Oh, hello.
Whoops. You silly. Oh, you are so sweet. What a good boy. So many kisses.
There you go. That's good. Okay, you wanna go for a walk? Let's see. And Rolo didn't have one of those harnesses on his kennel, so hopefully that means he doesn't pull very hard. But sometimes if you take a dog out and they're pulling like crazy, we have those harnesses inside, and we'll fit them for the dog and hang it in their kennel. So then the next person that walks Rolo knows, like, oh, he's a puller, put on that harness. But you don't strike me as a dog that pulls too much. Wanna go for a walk?
You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go get some exercise. Good boy. All right, Rolo. It's time for some exercise. Let's go.
He's pulling a little, but it's not too bad. He's not too big, so it's something that the average person can handle.
Rolo's going for the shade in the mud this morning.
He is.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. Are you having a good morning?
What do you think?
With your curly little tail? What do you think? You are so sweet. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, do you see Cricket? Do you see your friend? What do you think? What do you think?
You know, and in the summer especially, we try to walk the dogs more in the morning. You know, get them out for a nice long walk in the morning before it gets so hot. You know, when it's really, really hot in the afternoon, the sun is out, it can get dangerous for the dogs. Dogs can get heat stroke. You know, they got fur coats on. You know, so there's signs that we watch out for where the heat index is going to be really high. We'll say, you know what, no more dog walking until it gets cold and cooler.
Yeah.
So in the morning we really try to get them out.
Yeah. And something to be aware of is walking your dog on hot concrete in the middle of the afternoon.
They can burn their little paws.
Yes, it can definitely burn their paws.
Put your hand down on the concrete and hold it there. It's too hot for you. That means it's too hot for your dog too.
Exactly.
Stick them shade, lots of water. You know, it's something in Texas we have to be really, really careful of. Now that summer's starting. Sometimes when later in the summer, we'll put out little baby pools out here in the field and fill them up for the dogs so they can cool off in the pools. Of course, some dogs don't want to have anything to do with it. They won't get in it. Other dogs, man, you think they were like Olympic swimmers. They just pop in there and splash all around.
Oh.
That's a really great way for them to keep cool.
That is fun. So they get to do that in the field, not just the runs?
Yeah, we normally set them up out in the field right here.
Oh my goodness.
And we'll do like 2, and the birds like it too. All the birds will get in the pools.
Oh my gosh.
Just empty them and put them back in there. But
That is fun. We'll have to make sure to take some pictures and share that. Are you ready for swimming, Bo? I am. It's a little humid this morning. Rolo.
And you know, a lot of times I let the dog dictate, you know, when they're ready to go back. And he kind of just stopped there and he didn't walk anymore. So we can circle back this way. He's very curious. He's got his eyes on everything.
Yes, he is.
Yeah. I like to walk in the shade, so I try to keep over here with him.
Me too. He sees a bird. Where's that bird doing? Yeah, we have this great shady spot here with lots of trees. That's the dog runs we were just in. Oh, there you go. Taking a little break in the shade. Good boy.
So, Rolo doesn't like treats, but he likes pets and love. So that's all you have to do is figure out what the dog will work for, what the dog likes. Bo will work for treats. Rolo wants attention and love and scratches. He likes toys too. It said on his little kennel note. So he probably would learn how to sit if I had a toy.
Yes.
It's all just about each individual dog learning what they like, learning what they want to do, and then we tell the adopters about that. You know, I can put a little note in his file that says, took Rolo on a walk, he wasn't really into treats, you know, he walks nicely on his leash, he goes potty outside, and that helps people decide if they want to adopt him, and bring him home and make him be their new pet.
And speaking of adoption, if you're interested in adopting Rolo or Bo or any animals here at the Austin Humane Society, you can definitely check out our website at austinhumanesociety.org. You can also email our adoption team at adoption@austinhumanesociety.org. Right, Rolo? We want to find forever homes for all these sweet shelter pets.
The breeze feels nice.
That does feel good, doesn't it? Getting your ears and your tongue cooled down. Are you ready to go back, Rolo?
You want to go back in?
It's time to say goodbye. We'll walk back and...
Come on, let's go. And we can go back through the front this time, take a different path.
Yeah. He's very curious about other people. You just want to meet everybody? Hey, look at our new sign. It's so beautiful. Good boy. We can say good morning to our friend Tinkerbell. Good morning, Tinkerbell. All right, Rolo, thanks for taking us on a walk. Well, we're going to say goodbye to Rolo and Sarah here. Thank you guys so much for hosting our live dog walk. We hope that you've all enjoyed your Wag Wednesday with our dogs here at the Austin Humane Society. And we're going to say goodbye to Rolo. Goodbye, Sarah. Thank you.